So in 7e, unfortunately, this isn't a perfect square trinomial. And once again, unfortunately, there is a 12 coefficient in front of the x squared, not a 1. So to factor this, we need to use our decomposition to, break this middle term apart and then factor in groups and then factor once again. So we need two numbers whose sum is 4. So S, let's let this stand for sum. So we need sum of 4 and two numbers whose product, so P stands for product, is equal to 12 times minus 21, which equals to minus 252. And then, there are multiple, combinations you could pick from, a product of 252. And then in the end, you get two numbers, 14 and 18, that when you multiply them, you get 252. And then when you put the negative on the minus 14, you get minus 252. And you also notice that the sum between them is equal to 4. So minus 14 plus 18 is 4, which means that the two numbers are minus 14 and 18. So let's break the middle term up based on this fact. Plus 18x minus 14x minus 21. Notice that this line is exactly the same thing as this line because 18x minus 14x equals to 4x. So let's factor. From the first two terms, we can factor out a 6x. And then we're left with 6x goes into 12x squared how many times? It goes into it 2x times. And then 6x goes into 18x 3 times. And then from here, we can factor out a minus 7. We're left with minus 7 goes into minus 14 2 times, so that's 2x. And minus 7 goes into minus 21 3 times. And then now what do you know? It's 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. Now we factor. So first we grouped, and then now we have to factor once again. 2x plus 3. When we factor that, we get 6x minus 7.